Romania and Italy, February 18, 2026.
Ready? Oh, signor.
Oh shit! Holy shit!
Yeah, there was four people on it.
There was 4 people on it.
In Italy, a large avalanche occurred early this afternoon in Rhêmes-Notre-Dame, reaching the road near the slopes. Some skiers witnessed the avalanche and immediately raised the alarm. The avalanche cloud also hit the Sărat Blue slope, which descends from Mont Chétif to the refuge located a few meters from the Dora di Venei River. It obscured the landscape, briefly engulfing skiers on the slope and chairlift. In the videos, the roar of the falling snow is hearing. Then the cloud advances and skiers stand still, waiting to be hit by the avalanche's force.
Questo arriva fino a qua, eh. Boh, Luca, c'è. Guarda come...
E mo ci arriva, Ci vogliamo mettere al riparo?
Andiamo in casetta, veloce.
Dai, corriamo.
Veloce qua. La casetta del...
Aosta Valley Alpine Rescue personnel immediately responded to the scene to clear the area. Another avalanche occurred this afternoon in Courmayeur, near the ski area. Mountain rescue guides are still working on the cleanup. 2 other avalanches occurred in Cône, upstream from the hard ice rock and artistic skating ice falls, and Gresini, Gabiet area. Like a cloud of powdered snow, this is what the avalanche that occurred high above the Matterhorn.
Gata, vogliamo di qua. Minchia.
Meanwhile in Romania, extreme snowstorms accompanied by strong winds have caused major chaos in several cities. A severe snowstorm has trapped many vehicles around DN22, Ramnicu Sărat. Meanwhile, people have shared footage of themselves trapped in the bitter cold. They show their vehicles stuck in thick snowdrifts or their views obscured by the thick snow and wind. On DN1, in the area of Predeal, trucks skidded and temporarily blocked traffic. Equipment was sent not only to clear the snow, but also to remove the unlucky drivers from the snow. According to IGSU, following the snowfall and blizzard, from Tuesday from 8 o'clock to Wednesday at 6:30, effects were recorded in 67 localities in 21 counties, include Argeș, Brașov, Brăila, Buzău, Constanta, Călărași, Dâmbovița, Galați, Giurgiu, Hunedoara, Ialomița, Ilfov, Mehedinți, Alt, Prahova, Sibiu, Teleorman, Tulcea, Vaslui, Vrancea, Valsia, and the municipality of Bucharest. Thus, the intervention forces acted to evacuate the water from a cellar from a street, to clear 176 trees and 6 collapsed electricity poles, 67 cars being damaged, and to remove some construction elements from 10 buildings.
E ora 8:30, ne aflăm în centrul comunei Merei, fix în fața primăriei. Totul este paralizat.
In Buzău, 2 trucks were stuck on the road, completely blocking traffic. One of them was pulled out of the snow after an hour. Instead of clearing the road, the machines are towing the truck stuck in the snow, making the intervention even more difficult, which contributed to the formation of the column of cars. Some set off on the road fully prepared for such situations. Cautious, some consider stopping overnight. On many roads in the country, traffic was restricted for vehicles over 7.5 tons. There is also a yellow weather code in Iași, Vaslui, Rhêmes and Bacău counties. The blizzard swept away the snow and made the mission of road workers, who went out on the roads last night, more difficult. In Slatina, tree branches broken under the weight of snow blocked traffic on a street. Firefighters intervened. At the Argeș mountain rescue base, almost 1,600 meters above sea level, the gusting wind speed exceeded 70 kilometers per hour, and the snow layer has now exceeded 90 centimeters. Under these conditions, mountain rescuers warn tourists to stay at the chalets. Ten localities in Broila County were left without electricity due to snowfall and blizzard. On DN2B in the Ramnicu Sărat area, a tree fell on a car, trapping one person in the car. 7 localities in Rhêmes County were left without electricity due to unfavorable weather conditions, the Emergency Situations Inspectorate ISU announced on Thursday. In the eastern southern Carpathians and the curvature Carpathians, we are also talking about wind gusts of 70 to 90 kilometers per hour, a wind that will also cause sleet. From a thermal point of view, temperatures will be lower today, especially in Moldova, eastern Wallachia and Dobruja, maximums between -6 and 0 degrees, negative minimums at night 8 and 1 degree. Videos circulating on social media show the cloud and the storm reaching the village. From the images, the snow appears to have fallen right near the town center and close to the hotel, but it's just a question of perspective. Our structure, as well as the center of the village, are protected by a large recess. The snow fell much further than the hotel. Our staff driving vehicles on the road saw it firsthand and testified that the snow did not endanger the town center in any way. The staff of V Retreat Cervino in the municipality of Valturnanci, who can be seen in the video, explained to Courmayeur de la Sera by telephone.
Principal nu este de zăpezit, s-a intervenit superficial, iar drumurile adiacente sunt cu zăpadă până la genunchi.
Mm-hmm.